Just got your new Cricut Venture and not sure where to start? Don't worry, just follow along. Step 1. Open your Cricut app and click on the menu. Step 2. Select New Product Setup. Step 3. Click on Smart Cutting Machine. Step 4. Select your Cricut Venture machine from the list. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions on Design Space to set up your machine. If you've finished the Cricut setup, great job! You're now ready to make your first cut with the Cricut Venture. Step 6. Press the power button to switch on your Cricut Venture. Step 7. Raise the lever on the left side of your machine. Step 8. Slide the pinch arm all the way to the left end of the machine. Step 9. Lift the left and middle guides. Step 10. Place the material into your Cricut machine so it touches the left and center guides, then lower the lever. Step 11. Press the load button. Note, after pressing the load button, your machine will start loading your material accordingly. Step 12. Once the go button starts blinking, press it to start your cut. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.